Good morning, Easter family. So we're up this morning. It is 5:30 a.m. again. I'm working on my getting up in the early hours of the morning. Yes, I'm working on it. So I'm making some plantain. I'm going to do some eggs with spinach, green pepper, and onion in it because I got to use up the rest of this frozen peppers and onions I had. And we're going to make me some coffee to start the day. Also, I had planned to wear my Metas, but it said they weren't charged, and I plugged them in last night, so I don't understand why they're not charged. I don't know. Is this light supposed to stay lit? I don't know. But they've been on the charger all night, so it's no reason why they're not charged. I'm the only one that don't take the, I always change it without turning it on. It's crazy. Now I gotta wait for it to heat up. My plantain, guys, I like to take it and then, see, I need my Metas on. I like to smash it so it's not sitting up, you know, in a clump. I like to smash it down some before I fry it. See, I need my Metas. But like that, y'all get it. Alright guys, that's how I do it. I just smash them down a little bit. I put some olive oil in the pan and then I'm going to fry them up. But let's start sauteing the spinach and the peppers and stuff together first. Also, for the American cheese, I put cheese in the eggs. I'm not doing meat today, guys, because when I went out for Mother's Day, I had filet mignon and it was a little rough on my stomach. I don't eat beef often because of gastropersis and other different intestinal issues I have. So I'm laying off of it and I'm trying to do just like proteins and vegetables that don't consist of meat. Okay, this morning. So I'm going to take this cheese, I'm going to take a couple slices, just shred it up and put it inside my eggs, okay? And we got that sauteing. All right, the coffee is ready to start brewing, y'all. And lately I've been on my Bustella kick. I usually buy like the pumpkin spice and everything. I like these for the winter and the fall. But right now, I've been loving this. And I'm going to get me some chock full of nuts. It's old school coffees. I like the way they taste lately. I don't know, the older I'm getting, my palate is changing a lot. But we're going to get this popping right here. I'm so mad that my pan is scratched at the bottom. Sometimes you can't let certain people cook in your pans. I've come to a realization that, how can I say? Everybody's not used to nice stuff. Put it that way. That's all I'm going to say. This is the only one of this set that's messed up. My mom got me this set. And they were cutting up the food with a knife inside the pan. And, yeah. Anyway, let's just keep going. It's a beautiful day. But when I look at that, I'm kind of pissed off. Because I probably need to go buy some more, whatever. I know. But I don't want to. Like, my mom got me this set, and I really like it. It's really nice. And I want to use it for a while. Because I just pulled it out recently. Because I started throwing away some of the other pans I had that were scratched up. So the coffee is made. The coffee is made, guys. Alright, we got these eggs in here, y'all. Now we're going to start putting the plantain in here. And I'm listening to my niece. Eggs look amazing. And we're going to flip these over. Flip, flip, flip. Flip, flip, flip. Oh, I'm glad I flipped them. Almost burnt them. Alright, guys. That's how that turned out. We're waiting for these couple pieces, and then we're going to start wiping off the stove. Alright, guys. This is Mama Nisa's plate, and she's on her way down to eat.